Hi! Here are all the components of Hi-Found RDJ Digital Lock. Please note that the handle direction for this lock is not reversible, so please make sure you choose the correct one. All the functions are located on the front panel, so we can program it before installing. Use the screwdriver in the package to push the pin on battery case. Pull it out. Install 4 AA batteries. Now, let's start programming. Change admin code. 1. Input 0, 1, 2, 3 on to see if the lock opens. The default admin code is 0, 1, 2, 3. If not, then press and hold the reset button for 2 seconds. Then try again. 2. Input the original admin code 0, 1, 2, 3 on. Wait for 2 seconds. Input a new master code such as 0, 5, 6, 9, 8, 5. Then press S. Do not press the number keys too fast while programming. You will hear a sound each time you press a key. Add user codes. Input the new admin code 0, 5, 6, 9, 8, 5. Press on. Then input a new code, such as 1, 2, 5, 6. Press S. If you want to add another code, input another code, such as 2, 5, 4, 8. Press S. The first number of each code should be different from 0 to 9. So we can add 10 codes for this lock at most. You can find some other functions on the user manual. Now, let's start installation. This lock doesn't require any extra hole. Extremely easy to install. 1. Install latch. There are 2 latches in the package. One is 2 3/8 inch back set, and the other is 2 3/4 inch. Pick the one you need. 2. Place rubber cushion under the panel. Install front panel to door. 3. Place rubber cushion under back panel. Install it with 3 screws. 4. Remove the keyhole cover. Test keys. Make some adjustment if necessary. 5. If you want to change batteries, remove the screw on back panel. Use the screwdriver to push through the hole. It will hit the battery case pin. The battery case will drop. Now replace batteries, and then install it back.